Welcome to our new product features within Port Control. Today, we're going to be reviewing our extended TPP management, CNAM fraud score, and our support module. The first feature we're going to review is our extended TPP management, where you're able to enter in a SPID or RESTborg ID to obtain information around the organization. A couple new features that we have in around this is our verification badge that shows when the information was verified by ATL. Also, additionally, the United emblem right here, which indicates that we have united with this carrier for automated porting purposes. Additionally, you'll see some additional information below regarding the LSR, CSR locations for porting, their business hours, any residential or business rules, and any contact support level information that we have around an organization. For any information that you need or you believe is incorrect, you're able to report incorrect data to us at ATL, and we will help assist and be able to get this information on your behalf. Additionally, you're able to request to trade with an organization where it'll allow you to select you want to trade with that company and be able to send your current TPP to them to allow you to start doing that connection process. Or additionally, you can outsource that setup process to ATL. The next feature we're going to be reviewing in Port Control is our support module, located up in the upper right-hand corner by select your name, selecting support. This will give you basic information about our business hours, support and escalation, and days we are closed for our observed holidays. Additionally, you're able to select the support button down here in the left-hand corner that will take you to our knowledge base. The final feature we're going to be discussing today is the fraud score associated with the telephone number. This is available through the Explorer functionality by entering in a number or range of numbers as existingly before, searching for that number, and selecting the number within the platform. What that'll do is it'll pull up the information associated with that and show you the fraud score nuisance reported associated with the number. 0 to 50 is low likelihood of fraud. 50 to 75, you got some work to be done. And 75 to 100, well, yeah, there's something going on with the number, and I'd spend some time figuring out what that is. For a full list of features within this release, please review the information below.